Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about TAXIM O Dry Syrup. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by TAXIM Laboratories, Ltd. TAXIM O Dry Syrup. Uses. TAXIM O Dry Syrup is used in the treatment of bacterial infections. It helps fight infections caused by bacteria in different parts of the body. Benefits. TAXIM O Dry Syrup is an antibiotic medicine that works by killing infection-causing bacteria in the body. It is effective in treating bacterial infections of the lungs, throat, and urinary tract, among others. This medicine usually makes you feel better within a few days. However, it is important to continue taking it as prescribed even when you feel better, as stopping early may cause the infection to return and become harder to treat. Side effects. Like all medicines, TAXIM O Dry Syrup may cause some side effects. Common side effects include abdominal pain, nausea, stomach pain, indigestion, and diarrhea. If these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take TAXIM O Dry Syrup in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Check the label for directions before use. Measure the syrup with a measuring cup and take it by mouth. Shake well before use. It may be taken with or without food. How it works. TAXIM O Dry Syrup is an antibiotic that works by preventing the formation of the bacterial protective covering, also known as the cell wall. This covering is essential for the survival of bacteria. By blocking its formation, the medicine stops the bacteria from growing and prevents the infection from spreading.